we just want to print this, and we can see we've got 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's quite straightforward. Now, why are we showing this? Well, you would think if I is going in range of 3 that I would equal 1, 2, 3. So let's say we call this loop count, and we're also going to print this. So loop count, and then count, and then question. So when we run this, you'll see that the first number starts at 0, goes up 1 and 2. So it's not 1, 2, 3. If this looks confusing, let's take out the count. And we're just going to look at this loop and range, and we print it. It's got 0, 1, 2. Now that seems strange. If we want to start at 1, we can. We'll start at 1. Let's run this. Now it only goes 1 and 2. So if we want to go 1, 2, 3, the second number, the number that we end, has to be 1 higher than we want to go. So if we go range 3, it will give us 0, 1 and 2. If we want 1, 2, 3, we start at 1 and we go up to, but not including 4. Confusing, eh? So here we've got 1, 2, 3. So that's range. You can do strange things with range. Let's say we want to go to 1 to 10. Okay, there's 1 to 10. Now, if we wanted even numbers or odd numbers, let's try odd numbers first here. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Or if we started at 2, we go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, because the last one is step. So let's go back here. If we go range to 5, it's going to give us 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll understand why when we look at lists. This is something that helps us with lists. We'll explain it when we look at lists quite soon. Okay, so this range a little bit more different than what you'd expect.